I'm going to talk to you about HydroSal. Why and what, why you should listen to this, why it's so important. So if you're a chemist in the lab and you're looking to find out what are the new technologies that you can use, then this is an opportunity for you. Please listen carefully because I'm going to share with you some new technologies. In this session today, there will be 4 technologies. We will continue weekly. We will cover all of them. If you are in sales, you better listen very carefully because you will be able to explain to your customer why should he or she use this technology, what benefit they will get, how does it work, and we are going to talk about this in a little bit more details. If you are in marketing, and I know some people on this list are in marketing, then once you have this technology in your product, you will be able to explain it better to your customer. So what we are talking about is our HydroSal technology, and I'm trying to see if I can move the slides accordingly. So I will do a very short overview about HydroSal technology. I spoke about this last week, and the last week presentation is available to you. After we talk about this, we'll go to understand why to use it. What's the big value for you? Once you understand it, you will understand this is a fantastic technology, and this is the time and opportunity to use it because we made some major changes from the old versions, and now it is more available and more effective. How to formulate with HydroSal, this is very important for those that are formulating product. And of course, how to make specific product, like we'll talk about HydroSal refreshing and cooling this time. And we will start to talk about HydroSal for hair care, and we will continue to talk about this over our next week.